Hey, what's going on? My name is Obi, and I am with INBF Canada in Calgary for the Calgary Cup qualifier, and I have my Fitness Model Superstar Workshop here today. What is my Fitness Model Superstar Workshop about? Well, it's to help you as a competitor to succeed in the fitness industry. Not everyone really has the mindset to know what to do in the industry, and this workshop is basically designed to give you the skills to land a cover of a magazine, how to land an endorsement contract, how to get featured in a magazine, how to create a global brand, how to create a global fan base, understanding the power of social networking, really trying to give you the skills to be successful off the stage. And it's not easy. The fitness industry is not an easy industry. There's so many good-looking people and fit people, so not everyone has the knowledge to know how to succeed in the industry the right way. That's what the workshop is here, is to help you succeed at the highest level in the industry, whether you want to land your own TV show, or whether you want to be on a cover of a magazine, or maybe you want to land international appearances all over the world as a fitness personality. So all of these things you can definitely do collectively if you have the skills to know how to obtain all of these things. That's what the Fitness Model Superstar Workshop is here for. Doesn't matter if you have the best abs, or you're the best looking person, or you got the best body. It doesn't matter. It's about basically, at the end of the day, it's about making you the best that you can be, capturing your strengths, and then knowing how to market your strengths to succeed in the fitness industry. My name is Obi. I look forward to seeing you at my Fitness Model Superstar Workshop at every INBF Canada event. And we're gonna have a great time, and I hope to see you there. Take care.